need something with long curly hair, like independent woman. I'm picky. I'm picky, bro.
Yeah, so
I'm picky as fuck. I can have a choice because when you a provider, you'll be surprised what a woman will do for you.
The Maybach, I see the top out. Another one. I see the top of the Maybach. I see the top out. Maybach, to the top of DJ Khaled. I see the top of the Maybach. I see the top of.
I wish you would have had my corner seat. That's why I don't let nobody. If you could, niggas push my corner back.
Tell you where, but like.
That's why I don't let everybody cut my hair, man.
I mean, I can do the black spray. I mean, it'll definitely define.
Nah, I don't do black spray. Because I wanted to address you hat fishing. What that mean? What that is? Why you wearing a hat with the suit? Y'all ain't worried about no money though. Ain't nobody worried about no money.
Gentlemen, no hats. Take your hats off, gentlemen.
Hey, man. Oh,
No hats, gentlemen. No
hat,
hats.
bro.
Ladies, step on in the building. Shit, what you got on?
I'm just go home, bro.
Alright, now have a good one.
Lucky I don't shoot this bitch up, nigga.
Boy, you got something right from my homeboy?
Let me see what he look like first.
Hold on. Look.
Okay, he's cute.
Yeah.
Hey, chill.